Have you ever felt like you have absolutely exhausted yourself just trying to lose weight? Maybe you've tried intense HIIT workouts, joining the gym. Maybe you've even tried to do the special workout routine and quit after just a few weeks because it just wasn't sustainable. If that's you, then I've got some really good news. Walking is one of the most underrated forms of exercise for weight loss, and on this channel, you've probably noticed that there's a lot of walking workouts, and that is definitely for a reason. In fact, if you're just getting started on your fitness journey, walking might actually be one of the best places to start. So today, we're gonna kind of talk about why walking works, why it's so effective, and why it could be the one thing that really helps you to stay consistent. Let's jump in. So walking is super easy to stick with. The biggest reason why walking works isn't because it burns the most calories, it's because people actually keep doing it. I want you to think about it. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't even have to have complicated exercises. You don't have to feel intimidated. You can simply put on a pair of comfortable shoes and start moving. And here's something I've learned after years of helping people with fitness. The best workout isn't the hardest workout. It's the one where you actually come back tomorrow, because consistency beats perfection every single time. And walking makes consistency possible. So now let's talk about calories. A lot of people underestimate walking because it doesn't leave them completely out of breath, but your body's still working, your heart rate increases, and your muscles are moving. You're using energy with every single step. Now, will walking burn as many calories in 30 minutes as a full-out sprint? No. But here's the question I always ask. Which workout are you more likely to do 4 or 5 times every week? The workout you dread or the one you actually enjoy? Those calories add up over time. That's where walking really shines. This is especially important if you're beginning your fitness journey. So walking is just super gentle on your body. Maybe you're carrying extra weight, maybe you've had knee pain, maybe you're recovering from an injury, or maybe you simply haven't exercised in years. High impact workouts can feel overwhelming. I know when I first started, I didn't start out with high impact workouts. I started with a lot of functional strength training. So things that just started me on getting my body moving. So a lot of things with light weights, and then progressively over time, I went into more HIIT workouts. But walking is different. It's low impact, it's easier on your joints, and it's easier to recover from. That means you can do it more often without feeling completely exhausted the next day. When your workouts leave you feeling successful and excited instead of defeated, you're much more likely to keep going. One thing that people don't talk about enough is this. Weight loss isn't just about calories. When you decide to walk every morning or after dinner or even during your lunch break, you're building a routine, and routines eventually become habits. Once walking becomes a part of your day, you'll stop asking yourself, should I work out today? Instead, it simply becomes something you do. So that's when real change really starts happening. This is actually one of my favorite topics. Walking is amazing, but when you combine it with strength training, it's a game changer. That's where the magic really starts to happen. Walking helps you burn calories, but strength training helps you to build that lean muscle. And muscle is important because it helps your body to stay strong and it supports your metabolism over time. That's exactly why I create my walk and sculpt workouts. You're getting your steps in while also challenging your muscles, and you can do it all in one workout that's beginner friendly and low impact. You don't have to choose between cardio or strength training. You can enjoy the benefits of both. Even if the number on the scale isn't changing as quickly as you might like, walking is still doing amazing things for your body. It can improve your heart health, boost your mood, increase your energy, help reduce stress, support better sleep. And over time, many people notice they simply just feel stronger doing everyday activities. So it's a huge win because fitness isn't just about looking different, it's about feeling better too. So if you've been waiting until you're fit enough to start exercising, or if you've been telling yourself that walking just isn't enough, I hope today's today's video changed your perspective. Walking isn't the easy option, it's the smart one. It's sustainable, it's beginner friendly, and when you stay consistent with it, those small steps really add up. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep showing up. That's something you're doing for yourself. If you're looking for a place to start, check out my Sculpt While You Walk series. Each workout combines walking with simple strength training exercises designed to help you build consistency while also working towards your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comments. When did you realize walking could actually be a great workout? Or if you're just getting started, tell me where you're joining me from and what your biggest fitness goal right now is. I would love to cheer you on. And if you'd like more beginner-friendly tips and walking workouts, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.